una kong tanong is kay Miss Maricel Laksa. Miss Maricel, ano po yung natuklasan ninyo kay Donnie since naka-work ninyo siya dito as a co-star?
First time ko nakatrabaho si Donnie and natuklasan ko, magaling pala siya. May eksena na nakalimutan ko yung lines ko, nahiya ako. Kasi namangha ako sa kanya nung tinitignan ko siya. So, good job, Sam.
Ano masasabi mo doon, Donnie?
Ano ba, syempre, isang privilege talaga na makasama ko si Maricel Laksa sa isang pelikula. Matagal ko ng dream to and I'm really glad na finally reality talaga. Hindi lang game, pero in real life. So, hindi na, okay na yun. I had a blast filming with my mom. Medyo awkward minsan, pero okay naman.
Pero anong pressure working with your mom and your other...
Minsan hindi nagsisingkin sa eksena na nanay ko yun eh. Sa iyong isipin. Kasi hindi kami close dito. Hindi ko pwedeng isipin nanay ko siya. Kasi kung naisip ko yun, edi mga nuances namin. Iba. Pero ang galing lang kasi yun nga, sobrang ibang ano meron talaga sa amin dalawa. Like in real life, we're super close. Mommy's boy ako. And dito kasi may problema kami. So, ayun. Masaya lang.
And kilala ka namin na talagang parang sa bawat proyektong ginagawa mo, pinaghahandaan mo yung character mo. This time, paano mo pinaghandaan yung character mo dito na maiba dun sa mga nagawa mo na before?
Sobrang iba po kasi itong role na to mahilig ako sa games naman dati as a child, but it's different kasi yung pro scene na yung pinag-usapan natin, yung mga esports pros talaga. And I think we really had to have a lot of preparation for this. We had to learn, well, me, kasi hindi naman ako hardcore na gamer na pro talaga. I had to learn from those who really stream, those who really compete. A lot of those guys were actually on the set with us. Siyempre, laking tulong din ng Tokot Bad Boys sa akin kasi yung barkada na to, hindi naman one player yun 5 players yun. Or 4 players. 4 or 5? 5 players. 5 players. Siyempre, we also had gaming consultants, care of Meta Sports, every single day with us sa set to make sure na lahat ng gagawin namin, lahat ng nuances namin, even the way we talk, even the way we move, it would relate and give justice to actually esports players. Kasi deserve nila Grabe yung mga pinagdadaanan nila. Grabe rin yung hirap nila and they have gone through a lot to get where they are. Especially us in the Philippines. Ang daming international awards, di ba, considered sport na to talaga. And it's not a joke. So, big props to all of them.
At yung isa din kaabang-abang dito sa pelikula na to, yung animation, di ba, dito mismong game. How hands-on are you pagdating dun sa mga ganun, animation, sa designs?
Well, of course, since Hannah, my sister, was on board, she is the creative producer, we really made sure now we would want to watch a movie that we would be proud of. And I think the game was a big part since we made the game from scratch talaga for the movie itself. And it's a playable game. So it's called Requiem. And dito nyo lang makikita sa pelikula yung game na yun. And pinaghirapan talaga ng team yun. Grabe yung VFX. So, na-amaze pa rin ako. Until now. Ano yan? Na-amaze talaga ako until now kung ano yung ginawa ng team just to come up with that game. But yeah, it's really been a hands-on experience.